Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to all my friends and lecturer. So this is my answer for the online assignment questions, Afrique management. Okay, for the first question, my answer is network carriers can be defined as the services that is provided by airlines, and it is operates by a network of scheduled air services to and from their airports. Okay, its hubs are upon registered in their country as it may increases the air traffic pressures. With the network carriers, passengers and cargo can be carried between any 2 points on their network using single or multiple flight. For the integrated cargo, the networks operates with its offering comprehensive the door-to-door services to the shippers, and they will gain control most of aspects of the sales, including the transportation process. And then it also operates hub and spoke networks consisting of primary and secondary hubs in each world region. Okay, next, the questions of number 2. My answer is low cost carrier can be referred as no frills, budget or discount carrier or airline, and it's operated with an especially high emphasis of minimizing operating costs and without some of the traditional services and amenities provided in the fare. So it will give result in lower fares and fewer comfort. Since low cost carrier has their own cargo compared to the freight forwarder who did not own but providing that services, they actively advertise themselves as low cost, budget or discount airlines to maintain their products, which can increase the operational complexity. Some of them adhere strictly to the low-cost carrier model, mainly because it might compromise the short turnaround times, but some are now reassessing this policy. Southwest Airlines, it originally declined to take any cargo, but with the advent of slightly large aircraft, changed this, subject to a piece limit of 150 pounds. The example of the low-cost carrier is Tiger, Mars Airlines, and also Air Asia. Okay, next, the questions number 3. So my answer is the product of the Etihad company is the Etihad Airport Services. It means that their product is it enhances airport services, ground handling and cargo operations at Abu Dhabi International Airport. Their cargo provides import and export services, as well as comprehensive delivery processes for the airlines, freight forwarders, and other stakeholders at Abu Dhabi Airport. And they also incorporate a fully equipped perishable center, ammunition store, temperature control rooms, pallet screening, state-of-the-art CCTV for valuable cargo, and 24/7 end-to-end cargo support. And they also has beneficially 10 station at the airports in order to maintain the flight passengers or the customer coming to the airport to settle their business, or maybe to ship their product, and also deal with the declaration and the other services. So in their airports is really huge, and so many customers has come to the airport, and until the timing there were so many shippers that has been encouraged to come to the airport and use their services, since that they want to improve their export and import current market. Okay, next questions number 4. So my answer is the demand for air freight is probably important for them in order to survive in the current logistics global market. So it means that even though the recovery will vary in different parts of the world, however, it could eventually most of the freighters may be back in the service. So once the recovery is underway for almost 12 months or more, the conversion market of the freighter will also be recovered, but it depends on aircraft availability and price. So in the end, it will illustrate the complete air cargo capacity cycle, which tends to accentuate upward and downward movement in yields. Within these trends, the large air cargo carriers may have some longer terms contract with forwarders, but this will only give a small measure of stability, and the forwarders often have the market power to dictate terms. Okay, the last question is number 5. So my answer is air cargo demand could be raised up again if the company would be willing to expand their competition with the ocean freight companies that would be intense for any certain more mature products, and could also the higher longer term growth of trade in some commodities of one mode of transport or the other. The ocean transport is also still relevant, especially in the era when fuel prices are likely to be higher. So the air cargoes needs to maintain or increase its position in terms of both cost and speed in order to compete in the current global aviation markets and also survive in their country to be the top greatest aviation company belong to their country, which is Abu Dhabi, Brazil.